Hello everyone. So today's date is 21st of June 2022, and today we are going to discuss about the versions of Java. So as we know that Java is a computer programming language, and it is invented by this James Gosling and the Sun Microsystem in the year 1995. So from the very first when it was invented, Java has released a number of versions of it, and in every version they have included a very unique features for the users. So as we know that in the world of programming language, we got to know about every day we need some changes, or the demand from the consumers is changing day by day. So for that reason, Java has almost using newer features with its latest versions. So let's check, or let's go through the history of the versions of Java. So at very first in the year 1995, they have introduced a Java alpha and beta versions. At that time, there are some classes methods. So in that at that time, the alpha and beta versions are not at some basically they are not stable APIs, but still it was the very first versions of the Java. Then after that, in the year 1996, on 23rd of Jan 1996, the very first version and stable version was introduced by Java, which is Java 1.0 version. In that version, Java has given private or protected keywords use ability to use in the program, so they might give some security to the programmers. So now in the year 1997, the next feature has come, that which is Java 1.1. In this version, they also included a number of features like giving some inner classes, or supporting JDBCs, RMIs like APIs, also AWT, and so on. In the year 1998, Java 1.0 Java 1.2 version has been introduced. In this version, they changed the name from Java Standard Edition. So basically, from JDK they have categorized the versions between 2 or 3 phases, like Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, and Java Micro Edition. In these editions, they have included lots of features like Java plugin. They at that time a collection framework is introduced by the Java, which is being most popularly used nowadays. In the year 2000, Java Standard Edition 1.3 has been introduced. In this version, they have included the features like hotspots of JVM, or like RMI was modified at that time. Java Sound is also being introduced at that time. In the year 2002, the next feature or next release of Java, which is Java Standard Edition 1.4, is being released. They got to improve the libraries in this version. Also, IP6 support is allowed in this version. Logging to API is being introduced at that time. In the year 2004, the next version, which is Java Standard Edition 5.0, has been introduced. So in this version, they come up with the protection to the programmers. They come up with the security features to the programmers. Now in the 2006, next version has been introduced, which is Java Standard Edition 6. In this version, they improved the web service support. They gives language support for the scripting. They also use the generic APIs for a tight integration with scripting languages. Now from that, from 2006, they tried to fix the bugs which are occurring in the Java Standard Editions, and they directly after the very long period, like 5 years, in the year 2011, Java Standard Edition 7 has been released. In this edition, they got to give the features like JVM support for dynamic languages. they got they added strings in the switches. They got also gives the binary integer libraries or literals, as we know. And in the year 2014, Java Standard Edition 8 has been released, and till the date, Java Standard Edition 8, the version is being most popularly used by the lots of developers, because in this version they have changes Java to such a vast level that they changes the collection frameworks, they changes the wrapper classes or modify the wrapper classes to support the collection framework. They also changes they allow developers to, for embedded JavaScript codes, they launch Java Apex applications in that version. Now next, in the 2017 Java Standard Edition 9 has been released. This is also very much used version in this in the Java. Now from the 2018, the Java team or Oracle team has decided to come up with the two versions in the year. So basically, in the month of September and in the month of March, they introduce two versions in the year. So with every version, they are releasing such a great features to the programmers, and due to this continuous updation of programming language or continuous updation of its features of Java is being most popular language in the world. And so as a developer, as a programmer, we must have a detailed understanding about the versions of Java, and we must have also a detailed knowledge of particular features in a Java, so that we can develop our projects in a great manner and in an efficient way. So this is how a Java version's history is being categorized. Nowadays, in the latest version of Java is Java Standard Edition 18, was released in the previous month, March 2022, and so this is about the versions of Java. Thank you so much.